Simplify question a square minus b square whole square. Here we use a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square is the formula. Here a value a is equal to a square and b value b is equal to b square. Therefore a square minus b square whole square is equal to a square. A value is a square and this square whole square minus 2a is a square into b is b square plus b square b is b square whole square. This is equal to a squared square 2 2 is 4 plus 2 a square b square 2 a square b square plus b 2 2 is 4 is answer.